Want to know what truly resonates with your customers? A/B testing is your secret weapon for data-driven insights. It's all about comparing two versions, like website layouts or email subject lines. Which one performs better? That's the magic of A/B testing. Start with a hypothesis, create two versions, and split your audience. Metrics reveal the winner, and tools like Google Optimize make it easy. Analytics takes it further with real-time visualizations. Think instant bar charts. Imagine testing email campaigns and spotting trends in seconds. A/B testing isn't just for websites, it's for retail, apps, and customer service too. Success comes from clear goals, clean data, and continuous iteration. With A/B testing, you turn uncertainty into opportunity, connecting with customers like never before.